Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to contour with cream products, and yeah, I'm going to start off by applying some brightness right on the under eye area, which is going to be a concealer, just any highlighter that you guys own. I'm using this one, it's just by a generic palette, and I pretty much just apply that right in the under eye area and blend it with this very precise brush. Okay, so now that I'm done pretty much with the highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the contour part, and I'm gonna start off by kind of like mapping out the hollows of my cheekbones and my temple area. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with like a flat brush, and then afterwards I just went ahead and blended very well with this slanted brush, and it's very fluffy, so it does blend very cool. And I kind of like did like a heavy hand of contour so you guys could see it very well, but yeah. So yeah, if you guys go heavy with the contour, don't worry, just try to blend everything very well with the brush. And yeah, I mean, sometimes it happens, and what I did here was pretty much to show you guys that it was visible. And yeah, sometimes I feel like on video it turns out a little bit, it looks a little bit different from what it looks on person and natural, I mean on like daylight, etc. So yeah guys, this is pretty much what I have done, and I just went ahead and pretty much just blended until I was satisfied with the final result. I also did a little bit of contour on my nose area, but not really that much because I really do not like the nose contour. I've said it a lot of times, but I really think it looks kind of like way too fake, so that's why I don't use it that much, or I mean I don't wear it, or you know guys. And yeah, now I want to pretty much just set my under eye area, because concealers tend to crease a lot in the under eye area because I do have very oily under eyes, so that's why I like to set my under eye very well. And I'm using this banana powder by L'Oreal. It's like a miniature version of it. So yeah, I just went ahead and applied that right in under the area I applied my highlight. And yeah, so I just apply it for a few seconds, and then I went ahead and brushed everything super well. And I also did a little bit of cleaning right in the contour area, so it was more sharp and it looked a lot prettier. Okay guys, so after all of that blending, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is the final result. I hope you guys can recreate it. Make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. Have an awesome day.